Number 1. In this video, there is a man attempting to break into a house wearing a ski mask. Wait a minute. There are two suspects who are committing crimes here. One suspect tells the other, "There's a camera pointing a finger at the camera." After a while, he pulled a tool resembling a hammer out of his pocket and attempted to break the lock. He keeps trying to break the lock, but doesn't seem to be getting anywhere. Keep your doors shut and locked and stay safe. Number 2. In Cape Coral, a woman's home was broken into for the second time in a year, but this time this young woman committed the robbery. The homeowner nearly lost $10,000 during the first attempted heist, which involved jewels, luggage, and apparel. However, this time the young lady who was captured on camera and was dressed in a black top. She rings the doorbell, then turned to face the camera, pulled her phone from her pocket, and started to walk down the driveway while glancing here and there. Then she broke into the house from the backyard. The owner claims that her diamond rings, Gucci sunglasses, black Michael Kors bags, and many other items were missing. They were all stolen. It cost over $2,000 in total. The stunned neighbours believed she was the only lady who had looted the house alone. The owner is eager to learn whether she has been apprehended and that her items that were stolen from her were recovered. Number 3. In this video, a suspect caught in the camera wearing black shorts and wearing no shirt throws a rock at the glass of the door and shatters it. After that, he attempts to loot the residence by jumping inside and smashing his way inside. One of the neighbours yelled that his house was nearly a target also. The culprit, according to the police, entered the homeowner's bedroom through the broken window and woke him up. He then jumps inside the house, smashes his way to reach inside the home to attempt a robbery. One of the neighbours said his house was almost a target, he yelled. According to the police, the suspect went through a bedroom window and woke the homeowner. After a struggle, the 71-year-old homeowner produced a gun, shot the assailant several times in self-defense, and then the man immediately fled. Police claim that the suspect was not struck. The entire community pitched in to find him, transport the homeowner to the hospital, and then the police detained the 26-year-old suspect. A serious assault charge was brought against the suspect. Number 4. These two suspicious men in this video with a black jacket and grey jeans are up to no good. The black coat and black slacks were being worn by other men as well. One of the suspects reached into his back pocket and pulled out some tools to smash a truck glass. Their plans were spoiled, and the homeowner intervened as they were being observed on camera. They both fled faster than they came.
Can I help you?
Number 5. In this video, the local lad beat the door fiercely with a whip and smashed it with his hand. The owner claimed to be at home during that time. When she checked the doorbell video, she could see that guy was holding a whip and lashing it at the door. She then asked from the camera while winging open the door. The resident claimed that while taking their daughter for a stroll one day, the neighbouring boy was also returning home on foot. A child pushed the boy from behind as he was being struck by the girl with a skateboard after she had hit him back. He tumbled into the watery pond. Our daughter was the first person he saw when he stood up, so he assumed she had committed the crime. They assumed the whip was to blame for the car's scratches. To inform the neighbours of what was happening, the homeowner went there. They ordered him to leave while opening fire in the air. The property owner dialed 911. When the police arrived, the constable said the neighbour had been charged with dangerous conduct for firing a gun carelessly in Stockton, California during the day. Number 6. In Stockton, California during the day, 2 burglars approach a white Honda and make an attempt to steal a catalytic converter. The automobile was lifted. To steal the converter, one person sat down beneath the car. They were successful in their mission when they stole the converter and fled to the second parked car waiting for them. Number 7. This freaky doorbell footage was recently posted to TikTok by a user who had quite a scary paranormal experience they will never forget.
Because my shirt is 6 and I'm 1. I gave you 6 points, I'm deducting 7. This is ridiculous. Don't make me think about ridiculous. Don't make me think about ridiculous. Don't make me think about numbers again.
A brave and accurate decision.
Yes, I, Captain. Yes.
Yeah, holy Captain, your horticulture is harvestable.
Ah, good. Oh, thank you. Mine.
Very happily in thank peace.
Number 8. This scary video, the owner claims that he has been a resident of this residence for the past 20 years and opted to purchase a firearm 8 years ago. He is currently receiving instruction on how to use that weapon. These lessons were put into practice today. Jackson remarked, "I had to do what I had to do to save my life." He heard a man shouting at his door around 4 a.m. It was caught on tape by his home's CCTV system on the west side of Detroit's Salem Street. The strangers were requesting cash. "What money are you talking about?" the homeowner questioned. Still present was the stranger. The homeowner then dialed 911 and awaited the arrival of the cops. He invaded and broke the window while they waited. The homeowner armed himself and said to the stranger, "You got to leave," but he wouldn't. The owner had to take his gun out and defend himself. "I had to shoot him," shooting 4 shots. It hit his chest. "I didn't want to hurt him. It was self-defense." Number 9. There appear to be white orbs floating around this person's front door in this unusual video. What might they be? Do they involve truly unexplained occurrences that depict a bizarre creature going on all fours as paranormal? What do you think this is? Let us know in the comments. Number 10. This scaly video is truly unexplainable. It shows a weird creature on all four legs moving fast. What could this be? Let us know in the comments.